I wanted to come in here and show you something that I got in the mail today that I'm super excited about. What is up, you guys? If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jessica from Etta Jane's Vintage, and I focus on thrift, vintage, and sustainable fashion. This video is a little bit different because number one, it's something that was unplanned, and number two, we're doing this more like vlog style. I wanted to come in here and show you something that I got in the mail today that I'm super excited about, and I wanted to give you all my first impressions on it. So let me go ahead and turn you around so you can see exactly what I got. Okay, so I'm here with the package and what I just ordered, and what I ended up getting was a pair of roller skates. So I got these C7 roller skates, and if you know anything about roller skates or bikes, you will know that they both have pretty much been sold out since quarantine started. So you really haven't been able to get any skates or bikes since, I would say, February or March. So about 3 or 4 weeks ago, maybe like mid-July, I was just checking around Google and Amazon to see if there were any websites where any skates had come back in stock, because I had really been checking all year. And I happened to see that the C7 skates were coming back in stock and that you could do a pre-order for them on Amazon. So I jumped on that, went in there, ordered my size, and of course it was about a 3 or 4 week delivery time because the skates were being pre-ordered, so you definitely had to wait for them to come and be shipped. But I didn't really care about waiting since I had already been waiting all year anyway, so I definitely made sure to go on Amazon and purchase them. And then right after I purchased them, I actually got an email from C7 saying that you could pre-order on their website, but I had already ordered it on Amazon anyway, so it didn't really matter because I had already ordered my pair of skates. So I would say it took about 3-ish weeks to come. Today is August 11th, and I think I ordered these maybe like June 20th or June 18th, not June, July 18th or July 20th, somewhere around there. So it took about 3 or 4 weeks for them to show up. And they came in the actual Amazon box, which I've already taken them out of the box. But this is the actual C7 box that they came in. A super cute little pink box. And then when you open them, these are the skates. Aren't they super cute, y'all? So I got the yellow, and the color is called Lemon Pop, I believe. And they are a little bit more firm, I would say, than like your normal skate that you might be used to when you go to like the skating rink. These came with like additional ankle support, which is actually good because I hurt my ankle a few months back, so I need something that's a little bit more sturdy. So these are definitely seem like good quality. I mean, I haven't worn them yet, so I don't really know exactly how they feel on or how they will wear. But so far, just from looking at them, they look pretty good. They do have the yellow stopper on the front, and they come with the yellow laces. And then these wheels are the outdoor wheels. I'm sure that if you want to use them for indoor purposes, then you can purchase indoor wheels and just quickly change them out. But right now, of course, the skating rinks are closed anyway, so it doesn't even really matter if you want them for indoor skating rink use because you probably can't go. So outdoor right now is the way to go, and I'm really excited to wear these. They're so pretty. I'm so glad I got the yellow color. I don't know if I already said this, but they do come in about 4 colors. So when I jump on the laptop, I'll show you all some of the other colors that they have, and then I can talk you through some of the specs of the skates. With the sizing, they do come in men's sizes, and I think it'll show you that on the website as well. The price of these was $119, and I believe with tax it was about $130. So I'm really excited about these and can't wait to go skating in fall and do all those things, because who knows when the last time is that I've been skating. And then also nothing else like fancy was in the box. It's just the other skate, and it does come with a little card here which just tells you to like try on your skates on carpet first before you take them outside, so you can make sure they fit properly and that you can lace them up and that you don't fall. So yeah, these are the C7 skates and they are super cute. And let me take you all over to my laptop so I can look at the description for you and give you a little bit more information about the specs of the skates. Okay, I'm back. I got my laptop. I pulled up the website, and I know that you all probably can't even see that, but they have a few different colors on the site. Maybe I'll pop in like a little screen recording so you can see what that looks like. But they have a few different colors. They have a peach color, aquamarine, lemon pop. That's the color that I picked up. And then they have a black pair. So when I go in to look at the quick view and just read a little bit of the specs, it says yellow skates as bright as sunshine. The wheels are 58 millimeter 83A outdoor. The structure in the boot is made of PVC, so I mentioned that it's not made of leather, so that's the material. It has steel bearings, retro design with a 1-inch heel, and then lightweight aluminum trucks. So that's really all the description that you get. The sizing is in men's sizes. So my shoe size is between a 9 or a 10. And I picked up the men's 8, which is a women's 9. And they fit pretty good. I'm sure I could have went up a size and then just wore thicker socks. But with these, they seem like they would fit pretty comfortable. So yeah, and they have a size chart on the website where you can measure your foot in inches and centimeters. That way you can get the most accurate fit. They don't have any reviews on their website, but if you check them out on Amazon, you'll be able to see some of the reviews that people have left for the skates. And yeah, so those are my first impressions of the C7 skates. They look super cute, super sturdy, and then I'll come back either maybe in this video or maybe not, or maybe in a separate video so I can show you what they look like on, and then maybe even a couple of clips of me skating, which should be hilarious because I actually haven't been skating in a long time. I did some skating last year back at home, just like a quick little lesson, but before that I hadn't skated in like 2 to 3 years. And skating outside is a lot different than skating in a skating rink, so this should definitely be fun. Alright, so I'll be back with you guys, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the updated video on these C7 skates. Bye! I'm back. So I decided to bring my skates out and take them on the ground and see exactly how they work and how they roll. So I'll give you all a couple clips. Hopefully y'all don't fall. Y'all wish me luck. All right, let's go. All right, I'm back. I made it. I didn't fall. Of course, I need some more practice, so I'll probably be coming out here a little more often, but the skates seem to work pretty well. I mean, the ground is a little rocky, so I had to avoid tripping and falling. I also ordered some protective gear, so hopefully that should be here soon. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.